Hello. I was on the first one, I think. I'm on all of them. I am being very boring. This is a boring contest. Whoever being boringest is the winner. If you be loud, you get kicked out and go on those things. Those are fires. Very big fires that you cannot see. Let's see who's the boringest. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. I know opera, and I can sing it. You are kicked out, sucker! No, not in the flames! Yay! One person is kicked out. I will probably win this. You're kicked out. Oh, no, I'm not. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Oops. Ooh. Yeah, into the pits. I just went fast, didn't I? Oh, it's against me and him. As you can see, I'm talking in my boy voice. If you make waves, you do this. You lost. I am the winner of this contest. Thanks for watching Rudkin's Pride Contest. It was probably very fun for you and all your friends to watch. Show friends and remember to go to my page.